In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot FTP failed to connect in Dreamweaver. If you're seeing that error when you try to upload your files, don't worry. We'll walk through the essential checks inside Dreamweaver and on your computer so you can get connected again with confidence. Start by launching Dreamweaver on your device. Give it a moment to fully open so all site settings load properly. Once you're in, head to the Site menu and open the area where your server settings are defined. This is where Dreamweaver stores the connection details for your website. Select the server you use to upload your files and click Edit. You're now looking at the heart of the connection setup. Here, carefully confirm the host, username, and password. These must match exactly what your hosting provider gave you. Watch out for extra spaces, uppercase versus lowercase letters, and outdated credentials. If you're unsure, check your hosting control panel or documentation to confirm the correct values. Avoid sharing or exposing your credentials while you work. Next, verify the port number. The standard FTP port is 21. If your host requires a different port, such as 22 for SFTP, make sure that number is entered correctly. Never guess the port. Use the value specified by your host. A single wrong digit can block the connection. While you're there, confirm whether your server requires FTP or SFTP and choose the correct protocol. SFTP is more secure and many hosts mandate it, while some still use traditional FTP. Selecting the wrong option will almost always lead to a failed connection, even if your username and password are correct. Take a moment to confirm that your internet connection is stable. If your network is dropping or switching between connections, Dreamweaver can time out. A quick reconnect to your Wi-Fi or a brief network check can save time. If you still can't connect, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus to see if it's blocking Dreamweaver. Do this carefully, test briefly, and then turn protection back on. If disabling it allows the connection, add Dreamweaver as an allowed app so you can stay protected while continuing your work. Close and reopen Dreamweaver to clear any temporary glitches. Fully quit the application, then start it again to refresh its background processes. Finally, ensure Dreamweaver is up to date. Updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that affect FTP and SFTP connections. Once you've reviewed these settings and conditions, try connecting again. Following these steps methodically usually resolves the FTP failed to connect error and gets you back to publishing without frustration.